If you are planning to join Wipro Wilp, there is something I really wish I had known earlier or someone had told me this earlier. Because in Wipro Wilp, you are not just signing up for a job, you are signing up for a full time of employee and a student simultaneously. So after almost 10 months of being a Wipro Wilp employee, today I am sharing what's the actual pressure of Wipro Wilp is, how I managed all these, like what I personally experienced. Initially, everything feels so exciting and fascinating. You really feel like, wow, I really entered the corporate life I had always dreamed of. But what next? Slowly things starts changing. Your responsibilities increases, your performance is being monitored, and also the deadline starts coming in. And after all these, आपको weekends पे classes करने होते हैं, labs complete करनी होती हैं, quizzes करने होते हैं, and you really thought of कि यार मेरे पास मेरे लिए time कब है? So let's start with the first and probably the most obvious one, which is work pressure. Yes, when you join Wipro Wilp initially, there is no work pressure on you. You start with a scratch. You are in a learning phase. You are learning about the process and how the things they have to be handled and all these. So in the beginning, it's quite fascinating. आपको लगता है कि yes, I finally entered in the corporate world and it's like that cozy corporate world vibe. So जैसे months pass होते हैं, things got changed. Yeah, became more familiar with your project and gradually you become a important part of the team. अब सिर्फ ये मैटर नहीं करता यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर असाइन टास्क, योर परफॉर्मेंस मैटर्स, हाउ एफिशिएंटली यू आर कंप्लीटिंग योर टास्क मैटर्स, यू आर लर्निंग न्यू स्किल्स और नॉट मैटर्स, obviously your overall growth towards the project matters. And that's the time when you realize I'm not just learning anymore, I have responsibilities also. And you remember one more thing, I'm also a student, because विल्प में आपको साइमल्टेनियसली एम्प्लॉय भी बनना होता है और स्टूडेंट भी. हर सैटरडे क्लासेस होती हैं, यू हैव टू अटेंड 4 क्लासेस इन अ डे. आफ्टर वर्किंग द एंटायर वीक, finally when the weekend arrive, which is Saturday and Sunday, you have to take your classes, your quizzes, complete your labs, and you have to done this all within the deadline. And you can't skip these things because ये सारी चीज़ों में जो थिंग अटैच्ड है विच इज मार्क्स, सो आप इसको स्किप भी नहीं कर सकते. देन कम्स लैब वर्क्स. यस, एवरी 14 days यू विल गॉट सम लैब वर्क्स ऑफ 1 or 2 सब्जेक्ट्स. सो द थिंग इज कि लैब वर्क में आपको डेडलाइन साथ में ही मिलती है एंड यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द लैब ऑन द गिवन सिस्टम. एंड लाइक ये तो मेरे लिए सबसे टफेस्ट पार्ट होता है अभी के लिए, क्योंकि आप ऐसा पूरे टाइम आप ऑफिस में काम कर रहे होते हो, आपका जो भी वीक चल रहा होता है, नॉर्मल वर्क लाइफ चल रही होती है, उसके बीच में आपके लैब्स आते हैं और आपको डेडलाइन से पहले उसको सबमिट करना होता है. उसके लिए आपको कोई अलग से छुट्टी नहीं मिलेगी, कुछ नहीं मिलेगी. आप ऑफिस से आओगे टायर्ड, स्लीपी फील कर रहे होगे, लेकिन यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द लैब वर्क बिकॉज उसके लिए आप वेट नहीं कर सकते कि अरे सैटरडे को कर लेंगे या संडे को कर लेंगे. नो, if the deadline is near to you, you have to complete it and submit it. After 10 months, I have realized something. Biggest pressure is not always the amount of work. It's the lack of time. Because you only have 24 hours in a day. आप इससे तो नहीं इंक्रीज कर सकते ना. आप 24 को 28 या 30 तो नहीं लेके जा सकते हो. मंडे टू फ्राइडे ऑफिस, सैटरडे क्लासेस, बीच में लैब, क्विजेस, असाइनमेंट, एंड देन यू हैव ऑल्सो योर पर्सनल लाइफ विथ यू. But when everything comes together, coming from office and feeling like यार नहीं हो सकता मुझसे लैपटॉप ओपन एक और बार, I think that's where the actual will pressure comes from. It's not that easy, guys. It's not that easy, honestly. I don't want to make this video like will is something impossible type of thing. Yes, the pressure is real. I'm not denying it, but it's manageable. Initially, everything feels overwhelming because we have to manage so many things and we just got stuck and confused to prioritize our works. With the time, start planning your labs and assignments before the deadline. Also realize that you don't have to do all it in one day. Like you don't have to put all efforts in day one and like completely tired. You just have to know how important thing is right now, what is required for now. Honestly, this is something I had learned in this 10 months, honestly. After 10 months, I had to answer. Is the Wilp is difficult? Definitely yes. The pressure is real? Absolutely yes. The pressure is real as fuck. Is it impossible? No. It's not impossible. It's manageable. Somewhere between office and work, Saturday class, labs, assignments, those days also become more responsible and much better at handling some responsibilities. If you are planning to join Wipro Wilp, you are not just building your career, you are pursuing a degree while being a full-time employee. Yes, it's challenging. You can see, guys, it's almost been 10 months and I'm still alive handling all this, and after all this मैं आपके लिए videos भी बना रही हूँ guys. So it can be manageable, it is manageable. And just guys subscribe my channel, it will help you a lot, believe me. So मिलते हैं ऐसे किसी वीडियो में, bye bye.